Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA continues to push a little bit higher, and that's not necessarily here surprising given that already yesterday I highlighted that one more 4-5 pattern seems to be needed to complete this rally. At least it seems likely based on the microstructure. There seems to be it just seems to be an incomplete structure, this rally from the 16th of September to where we are now. Overall, I see this here either as a wave B in white, so it could be a WXY structure. That would be the short-term bearish scenario. From the swing low in August, around the 5th of August, an ABC structure to the upside in wave W, an X wave to the downside, and then here an ABC structure to the upside in wave Y of B. And then from here we could get rejected. That means there is going to be a key decision point around 44.4 cents. And it would require now a break below micro support to confirm that a top has already formed a little bit sooner than expected in white wave B. That would be sooner than expected, but now the closer we get to that decision point, the more likely it gets that we break support, because the market can then exhaust itself. But there would be a break below 35.8 cents that's needed to confirm that a top has formed. Okay, until we get a break below 35.8 cents, there's absolutely no indication we have topped or formed any kind of meaningful top. So anything that happens between where we are now and 35.8 cents is just intraday. Well, it's just not necessarily intraday volatility, but it's allowed by the current scenario. Even though that would be quite a deep wave four, so I already would say already below 36.8 cents, the 50% retracement, it starts to get a very, very deep wave four. And then, yeah, I'm still watching for 44.4 cents at least. But if the price can break above that level, it opens the door wider for the yellow scenario. That would be a third wave rally in yellow, which could reach 51.2 cents at least. These wave counts are both possible at the moment. We're a little bit in no man's land between both of them, but in both counts, the next target is 44.4 cents. And even the white B wave can go higher. We can really only distinguish between them once we see a substantial top. And then we have to see if the wave 4 can hold a higher low. And then the wave 5 would invalidate the B wave, because B waves can only be 3 wave movements. But if we can get 5, that would have to be the yellow count. And then we can call that wave 1, and the subsequent pullback would be a wave 2. We can here add a support area to the chart, and then from there we can go higher in a third wave. So this would be the bullish thesis here, the bullish scenario. So there is a short-term bearish and short-term bullish one, and the 5 wave move to the upside is what is possible, as long as we're holding 35.8 cents, but the third wave would need to get to 51.2 cents to confirm it further. And then only then I can add really a support area for this main fourth wave. At the moment, my interest is just in observing whether the immediate rally here is continuing and the uptrend continues, because once it breaks, it would reduce the probabilities of the price to get to 51.2 cents. I mean, it's still possible, but this is the immediate. This is support for the immediate move up that started on the 16th of September. So that would be the support area that will be tested first, so-called micro pivot. But yeah, I think this micro third wave could get exhausted soon, and another 4-5 pattern appears likely. So that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.